Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Yaya and Ellie. Hey!
We're gonna be doing the gingerbread train kit today.
We have the little snowflakes, the little
Gummy
gummies, the little balls, I don't know what they are.
And then we have the icing.
And then this right here.
What is that?
I don't know. But yeah.
And if you guys want to do this, they sell it at Walmart. They're like $8.
$8. Okay, I think you should bring that para hacerlo bonito, para que se mire así, porque nosotras
we have to do it how we want to do it. We have to do it how we want to do it.
So we're gonna open it.
Why is this hard?
If I can open it. I don't know, but this smells really good. It smells really, really good.
Do people even eat this? Like, I know people just make it, but I've never seen nobody eat it.
I've never seen nobody eat it.
Like nobody.
I mean, it smells good. We're about to try it and eat it to see if it's que pedo.
It smells like
what's it called?
Pumpkin, like the pumpkin pie. It smells like pumpkin pie.
Okay, so open this real quick.
Slide it out. All right, let's spread it out.
Spread it out. This one and then this. I don't know if we're gonna be able to
make it
do that.
I know,
but we're gonna try.
Why are we so dumb at doing stuff?
Because we're not. How do you say it? Creative.
We're not.
We're really not creative. Creative.
Okay, I'm gonna put that right there.
I don't know how to start. I don't know how to do this.
Me either. Like, okay, what is this?
So this is.
What is it?
A train. Oh no.
These are the birds. Stupid. How is this a train?
Okay, I think you do.
Wait,
like
let
this,
me get the box
and then. Regresalo.
Oh, it has instructions. Okay. For our titties. We need it.
Okay, so first.
Oh, we need to put icing on this.
What is that?
Open this.
Para que se haga. So yeah. I think it's gonna go in the corner. So le pongo un poquito.
No, it goes all around. No,
es que.
Yeah, just put one line all around.
Okay. Sale bien poquito.
No, tampoco not on the edge, like in the middle.
Ay. It scared me. Because I think we have to save it too para poner solo ahí, ¿no?
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm doing it right.
Yeah, you're good. Wait, do we have to melt it a little?
I don't know.
No.
Well, it doesn't say nothing right there.
Yeah.
I think like that.
All right, yeah.
But wait, how are we gonna decorate this? Don't you decorate it first and then put it?
No, we put it first. Wait. How do people do this?
No, I don't think. I think you decorate it. Let's just.
No, I don't think you decorate it first. We put it on first and then we decorate.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, we have to.
Okay, so.
Is it these two?
Sí, so esos son los que van así. Yeah.
Okay.
And then this one, I think. No,
Wait, we have to put icing.
Okay. It looks kind of hard. Let me see.
This is for like first graders.
No, actually, I can't even do it. Why do you put it like that? You're hella retarded. Wait. It's so like a head.
How do people do this?
I'm hella mad. I can't like. Hey, good job.
That's how my left.
Yeah, this is heck mad right now. No, it's a basi.
And what is this? Like, what is it?
Okay. There's trays right there.
Look, wait.
I think no. This one goes like this.
Uh-huh.
And then this
one does too.
Goes on the side. Pero ¿cómo se van a pegar? Like it's dumb. No va a quedar. It's slippery. Look at this. And then
did it even come with everything? Like this is it. Or do we have to break this? No,
I don't think so. Oh my god, this is hard. I think it goes like this and then I don't know.
Wait, it's kind of
I think this is a fail.
And we barely even started. We're gonna put icing right here.
Ya se acabó.
more icing because we're done. So
Talk
that
for
was
yourself.
it. Speak for yourself. Thank you.
Speak for yourself.
Okay.
So is it like that, right?
And then over here.
One of these, maybe?
I don't think you cut that, do you?
Es que yo estoy...
I'm on this one too.
Es que se miran bien chiquitos. Yeah. You don't think que son estos?
Turn it on.
I'm hella mad.
But what goes in the bag? Like what?
Nothing.
Oh my god.
Nothing goes in the bag.
I tried to look like you can see the back of it.
Okay, it's like that, and then you put the little llantitas in the side. Yeah, we're doing it right, pero es que la cosa es que no se pega. No, it doesn't, no queda stick. Like, you have to put a lot. Put more, tomos queda mucho.
No, está bien.
No está bien. No se pega. You want me to put a little bit?
Yeah, put some right
Es
here.
que
on
no
the side.
veo.
Right here. Okay, now on the other side.
Meow. Is it sticking? Es que I feel like está muy heavy. Oh, yes. No te vayas a caer, eh? I swear. Don't move. Okay, so that's done. And then in the front, ¿qué le pones? No te caigas.
Well, don't move it.
What is that for?
The front.
The-
Hold it. Dude, that sopa made me
Your stomach cramp.
hit a part.
I think you should put some right here. No? Man, I hate that we're not creative. Ay, no, qué desmadre.
Like this.
That's good though.
It is, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's good like that.
No te muevas, dude. Oh my god. Put more over there.
This one goes on top. And then this one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That looks kind of retarded.
It shows. Look at.
Don't drop your one.
See?
Oh yeah. Okay. Do you think you want to put like something? Or no?
Yeah.
No, era así.
No.
Okay. That's done, and then the
And
wheels.
then this one,
one
the
of
long
them.
one? Hold on.
One wheel goes right here.
One of these goes in here. Oh, it goes in the back, I think.
Really?
Yeah. There you go.
And then the small one goes in front. Pretty good.
Oh, shoot.
Pretty dumb.
What's that?
Hella. Go over there.
This this is hella cricket.
Hey,
Pa' allá.
hey, Adrian.
Choo-choo. Okay, this. What is this?
A door? I don't know what that shit is.
Okay. This is... Do
I'm
it.
at-
Okay.
I don't know how it
Did you-
goes.
why did you cut it? Let me see. I think it goes maybe like this.
No. Let's just eat it. Let's try
Okay.
it.
No, yeah. Let's do it right.
Okay.
First, let me decorate this real quick.
No, we have to finish.
Tú haz lo demás.
You
Let's
hard.
start the whole no. Okay, well that's done.
Alright, let's do the
Let's do the
part. What do you guys rate it? Rate it down below.
It looks ugly. It really doesn't look like that in person. It looks, cause look, dale un tour. Se mira mejor así.
Okay, but we have to do this. So you're gonna get the front view right there.
Oh no, eso no. Es un carro.
Hydraulics or what? Okay.
Bees in the trap. Bees in
Don't
the
drop
trap.
that dun dun.
Hey, don't drop that. What's that? Where do you put that? Okay, so that one. Estas.
Hold
they-
it.
I don't know how people do this for fun.
I didn't think it was gonna take this long.
It says
Where's
right
the
there.
sides?
It says right there. Few minutes.
Where?
Yeah, right. Put it in the back. No, it does.
Oh.
I think you put un poquito de esto.
Put it right there. On this one.
Es que no miro. No.
There you go.
Good.
Straight line of white.
Two works. It's good. Now, later on, we're gonna make a cake. Imagine making a cake because we're gonna burn the
We're
house.
gonna burn the house. See, she's freaking burned the sopa without putting water in it one time. I don't know.
90 minutes, that's it.
You put 90 minutes?
And the little things,
Okay.
you put them inside, según.
Yeah.
Para sacar todo.
We're just gonna break this.
Put these.
Put icing.
¿Dónde lo
Put
pongo?
the tire.
What is this for? Like that?
This is how my life is going.
Oh, stupid.
Alright, let's decorate our trees. You decorate one, I'll decorate one.
Put the other one. Put the things right here. Okay?
Oh, the tires.
Déjame yo le echo. Pónselas. And over there. Man, I swear, I am not creative at all.
We're not creative.
That's ugly. Okay, so that, and then...
Esa traidita.
Oh, we put little bolitas on top.
You can decorate that. Oh my god. Guys, we're actually trying.
I'm trying.
Me too. Like, I want it to be cute.
But it's kind of hard, like, yo siento que es difícil porque las piezas están más duras, like, más pesadas. And this is just like, look at that. I was like... It's just like, oh, man.
Alright, let's decorate.
Okay.
Our trees.
A little. Ahí vamos a poner las bolitas. The colorful ones.
You see?
Ahora pónselo like on the other side. Let me go to my tree.
Not to eat.
All right. Okay. Ay, el techo. Okay, so that and then hug it.
Hold on. Vamos a celebrar.
Yeah. Look at this. Ay. La verdad, qué difícil es hacer esto. I don't know how. Like, it's just crazy. Vamos al corazoncito right there. Feo. No.
I'm already tired of sitting down.
I'm very tired doing this dumb thing. Nice. So if someone destroys my art right here.
They're gonna make fun of us.
Like, we're not even playing around. Like, we're trying. I feel like people's gonna think like,
I
oh,
know.
están haciendo mensas. But no, like, it's hard. Just to have everything in place and
This is my.
ooh.
Really?
We're good.
I know. This is my Christmas tree.
You scratched me. Why you have to punch my head?
Was my Christmas
This is mine.
Did you write a J on there?
No. I don't know how.
Sin querer.
¿Y cómo se ponen these right here? Like, I feel like se va a caer la casa. No.
Not gonna happen.
Hoy.
Damn. Why are we so dumb?
And us, we like for real color.
Okay, got mine in.
I did not touch you.
I think aquí ponle más de esos.
You have to talk.
I did not touch you.
I did not touch you. Me neither. Actually, you did. You have to get every head.
Stop playing you. Put,
High school girls.
no, you should put.
What?
Let me.
Mira aquellos animales.
Alright, let's turn around. Decorate the front.
It doesn't look that bad.
On camera.
Personally,
Real life?
no, it really doesn't. Pues eso se acabó y lo vamos a decorar.
Bien chueco.
That is good. Like, that doesn't even look that bad.
Oh, you went the wrong way.
What is that for?
Decoration. Yeah.
¿Y estos para qué eran? Being like this or something like that? I don't know.
Make it look like snow. Right?
What's up?
That's hella fake. Nobody did that.
I know.
That's Photoshop.
Do not put it in my phone. I'm not done. Do not put it close to my bed.
Alright, well, we'll let you guys know when we finish.
Guys, guess what happened when
We
we
tried taking a picture of it. Right when we were gonna snap the photo, it freaking fell.
I'm sorry,
Alright,
guys.
it looks cute from this side.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. So I don't know, but this was hard. So yeah, guys. Esto es todo. We wanted to save it. Lo queríamos.
Wait, let's turn it around for decorate it.
Hacer save.
We decorate this side. But
Because
it's
you
okay.
guys ain't gotta see that. Okay, this
There's
one.
only one side that they can see.
It really doesn't look that bad, guys.
It
Like,
doesn't. Like, it really doesn't.
it really
Don't-
doesn't.
Don't come at us.
It's like we're not that ugly, you know. So
Don't buy it.
don't buy it. Like,
You know
don't
what?
buy it.
I
Like,
think the house would have been easier. Because this one is just...
this
too
is just
much.
too hard. I feel like this
And the
little
house
thing-
is just...
the house is just like, you know,
Yeah.
like, fácil.
And that's it.
Pero está más difícil.
Yeah.
I mean, se seca this thing, but I don't know. It was just hard.
I don't know why, though. Like, it seems hella easy, right?
Comment some ideas of what you
Wait,
guys want
shut
to.
up. It seems hella easy, like, on
To
the
do.
box when you see it. But when you're actually doing it,
It's really not.
you get mad. It's hard.
It's really not that easy.
What do you rate this? I give it, like, a 5 for actually trying.
1 out of 10. I think I give it a 6 because it's not even that bad. No más que todo like se cayó. Guys, thank you for watching. Like,
Comment,
share, and subscribe.
And we'll
How do
see
you
you guys.
share?
Share. They can, like, share it, like, on Facebook. Share it on Twitter.
Oh, really?
Okay.
That's like. I mean, we would love that if someone. You know,
I know.
but yeah, guys.
We'll see you guys in our
That's
next
it.
video.
We'll see you guys in our next video, and let's see what we do next time. Bye.
Bye.